after that Sketchballs takeoff, I wanted to introduce my sidekick that I created last week. Pickle Rick, everybody. Yeah, I'm a nerd, so I wrote a bunch of Python code that creates that for me based on the GPX file output that you can get from your Suunto watch. So hopefully while I'm flying around, you'll be able to see my speed and stuff, although today is really probably not a very good day to fly, but I was excited to introduce Pickle Rick. Yesterday was straight up dangerous to fly, so the data looked like today was doable, but still it's a lot bumpier than I normally like to fly in. Makes me nervous. But there's a lot of guys out here this morning, so we'll see how that goes. I'm not going to get very much altitude today because the winds aloft are no bueno. And you can feel that turbulence down here. So maybe I'll just buzz around low. So you'll only be able to see Pickle Rick's speedometer hand, really, unless I redo the scale of the altimeter later. So maybe I'll do that. It's definitely not a coffee drinking day. So, I guess all I wanted to do today, really, since I knew this morning that the weather wasn't super nice, is just introduce Pickle Rick. I've done that. Look how happy he's like up there flying. Maybe the wind is better aloft, but I kind of doubt it. Based on my research, it just gets faster and faster. It's bumpy as shit down here. This reminds me of when I did a cross country here. I flew from Sebastian to the compound, and that was great, but on the way back, who Nelly? The thermals were alive and well the entire way. Kind of getting blown around like a leaf up here. Don't much care for it. I think I'll come down because it's only going to get worse as time ticks on. So anyway, hope you guys like Pickle Rick. He'll be in future videos. There was this tropical storm that blew by, I think, a couple days ago, and the weather's not been happy ever since. So, maybe I'll include this landing in my video, I don't know. If I biff it, I probably won't. That'll do, pig.